Exercise number 2, barbell bicep curls. Check it out. So a couple things with this move, guys. First of all, see the pace I'm doing. I'm going pretty slow. You'll get so much more out of the exercise if you go slow instead of trying to like yank it up. The next thing I'm doing is I'm keeping my arms locked in to my sides. So the only thing that's moving is from here to here. I'm not moving the upper arm away from the body. It's staying right here. My grip is kind of wide. Using an easy bar curl, which is one that loops like this, or kind of has a curve to it rather, you're going to have a wider grip. Go straight bar, go a little more narrow, but that doesn't work for this one. The other thing I want you guys to notice, I'm curling my wrists a lot. When I curl up, my wrists are really coming in. You don't think that's important, that little detail, but it really is. It makes your bicep do that extra little bit of a flex at the end. Exercise number 3, barbell bench press, excuse me. So you can do this a number of different ways. If you have a traditional bench press at your gym, that's my very first recommendation. I would do that. I do not have one at my gym, so I'm going to use a preloaded barbell, which I'll show you in a second. Another thing you can do is the Smith machine. That's totally fine too. If you want to do a Smith machine bench press, go for it. Okay, here we go. Decide to go pretty heavy, you might want to find someone in your gym who will spot you. It doesn't have to be a friend, just somebody that you know is at the gym that knows what you're doing, like maybe a trainer or somebody, another staff employee or someone that you've seen at the gym that you can tell that they know what they're doing, and they can just provide you that little bit of protection between you and the bar in case you feel like you can't do those last few reps. So safety always comes first when you're trying to go heavier with an exercise. Exercise number 4, single arm tricep kickbacks. So I'm going to use, get this out of the way, I'm going to use my knee to balance on, and I'm going to put the leg back that the dumbbell side is on. So here I am, and then I'm curling my arm up, and then I'm pushing it straight back. You will instantly feel it in the triceps. It won't even take a few reps. You'll feel it on the first one. So from another angle, it looks like that. See how I'm gluing my upper arm to the side of my body? And then once you complete all your reps, obviously you switch sides. Angle. Make sure you straighten your elbow all the way. Like if you don't go all the way, you're not really flexing that muscle. So make sure you really straighten your arm each time. And again, it's just like the bicep curl. Don't be doing all of this. Just nice and tight, backwards and forwards. Very effective. Okay, we're going to do a superset now. First thing is an Arnold press. I'd love it if you could stand up for this move. If you have any type of leg, hip, knee issues and they're getting tired or fatigued, of course you can also sit down, but try this out if you can standing. So, Arnold press. Start with the dumbbells right in front of your eyes, right in front of your face, like you're boxing almost. Then you're keeping a closed circle around your head and pressing straight up. So, if you look at my body, I'm not like this, right? A tiny bit of a bend in my knees. I'm just nice and easy all through the back. I'm gonna lower the camera down a little bit, or sorry, I guess raise the camera so that you guys can see what my hands look like at the top. So you're here, and then they're facing outwards, facing you guys, and then back in, and back out, and back in. So don't get that confused with this. This is resting. You want right before your eyes. So there's constant tension on the shoulders. And what Arnold believed, because he made this exercise up, was that it's going to hit mid-delt, front, and rear delt all in one sweeping blow. So that's why we do that move. It's also very effective. Okay, for this last move, the second move in the superset, we're going to do a triple drop set with our delt, our mid-delt lateral raise. So we're really working the outer delts for this move, and I love it, love it, love it. So we got 3 sets of weights: super heavy, medium, light. If you guys don't have 3 different weight sizes, that's totally fine. Just use what you have. If you just have like these 2, you can just do the heavy set and the medium set with this one and the light set with this one. If you just have these 2, you can do heavy, medium, and light, whatever you need. If you just have 1 pair of weights, man, do all reps with just the 1 pair of weights. That's cool. It's just, you know, work it out. So triple drop set means you're doing the repetitions that I've laid out for you guys. So in this case, you start with 10 reps, then you drop to 12, then you drop to 15, and then we're just going to do 2 sets of that because it's pretty gnarly. So I'm going to start with my heavy set of weights. I'm going to move the camera up so you see what the form looks like. But so I would start with my 10 repetitions. I start with my dumbbells at my sides, and I go up. So what I don't want to see is this. That's not the move. That's not working. That's working forearms. It's not working our shoulders. So you want your elbows to be pretty level with your shoulders at the top of the move. If they're not, step it down a little bit with the weight. So I'm going all the way to 10 reps. I'm immediately dropping them, picking up the middle size, repping out 12. Whew, this is going to hurt in a good way. From the side, by the way, looks like this from the back, like that. So once I've completed my 12 reps, I drop these. Now I'm doing 15 repetitions, whoo buddy, with my light weight. So this will feel good because, like, wow, this weight feels really light, but at the same time, I could barely lift my arms because I've already done so many reps. Hence, again, why we're only doing 2 sets of this. But I know you guys can do it. It'll be a good challenge. So there you go. That is the last move of your upper body at home or in the gym workout, because those dumbbells are the same thing. So have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.